What first thing will you do? I don't know, man. I mean, I'm kind of person who always looks to save money because that's the way I have survived. Yeah, I have been dependent on my parents' money. I don't know about others. I mean, the society creates a norm that you have to be independent, do blah blah blah. Because when people are not interfering in your likes, wants, and stuff, you feel that freedom. So I guess after a bunch of people feel that freedom and the way you can just spend the money on your own and do stuff, that freedom people like, and they just start promoting stuff based on that, I guess.
Yep.
But I don't think there is any certain concept like this should happen at this age, this should be done at this age. No, why everything we have done on our own as of now. It's like streaming is something I
Wait
like
on
doing.
three for
I
one.
mean, in life, if you see, everything
Change of bowling
is
for
based
leg
on
spinner.
what the majority wants to do. you know I think that should be broken. It
Yep.
isn't a rule that you have to, like I said, what the majority likes doing, that is set as the society norm, and
Eight.
everybody is expected to follow that. I am not up for that. Everybody has their own point of view and perspective towards life, and they should do what they feel is right. If they are not hurting others and are not pulling others positions
Waiting.
and growing by themselves with their effort, that is fine. The method can be anything, but as long as you are able to adapt that in your real life, everything is fine. Just you shouldn't hurt anyone, mentally and physically, I mean. If you want to do next stream full time, I would really like to able to earn through streaming. Sure, but as of now, am I in the right path to do that? Yeah, full time streaming is something I would definitely like to do, for sure, because I'm liking the process. I mean, in general life, I'm not like a person who just directly go to a person and talk. But like, if you come near me and like, hi, hello, I am so and so person, and introduce yourself, I might say, hi, how are you, how's life going, everything, blah blah blah, and just try to leave that conversation. I'm not a person who would just initiate the conversation and take it to something interesting or anything. So I need to get into that zone. Yeah, I am introverted. So that's the reason another reason I started streaming. It makes it easier to communicate with people, and yeah, I mean, I have different perspective towards life as well, which many might not be able to accept. I mean, I don't blame them, because everybody is bound to a certain closed environment, and they just finish their life within that bubble. So that's an issue that I don't want, to constrain people into a small space. So that kind of suffocates people, and people don't get out of it. Uh, I mean, if you think about it, right now without turning, I'm like studying and I want to do good things, like become a counselor, and do make people better, feel better about themselves. That's basically what I want to try. That's the reason I'm doing my masters in psychology after doing BCom in corporate secretaryship, whatever that is. So yeah, that's the thing. I do want to, make people feel better. That's the main idea of whatever I am trying to do. I just don't want to feel like, yeah, I did so much. I have a home, I have a car, blah blah blah. I don't want that stuff. If it comes, it comes. But for me, doing the good things is that's what matters. So coming to stream. and chatting with you people, and if in the process I can you know talk with people and make their day better. Yeah, exactly, man. That is that. I think that type of thing is very pretty common thing, because it's not easy for everybody to open up, and it's really a tricky thing as to whom you can communicate certain things with. Like, you would like a certain thing really so much, but others, you never know whether they would like it, and you are hesitant whether to start that conversation on the topic or not, because you never know how they would react. So that reaction thing, you'll just keep it in your mind and keep on thinking that the same thing, and you'll never try that. So those kind of things in streams you can do, because nobody cares, man. What the heck, I can say anything I want here, and if you don't like it, you just can get up and go, right? You just click off button, the stream is ended. So that freedom is there for both of us. I can talk what I feel like. You can stay if you like. If you don't like, you can leave always. So that kind of a mindset, I think, is really good. It's really needed as well. Just think less what yeah, but you can't. You are not tuned that way. It's a mental thing. It's not like I mean, it's a thing you shouldn't do. It's an instinct. I mean, see, one concept I have is the our mind works to our favor only. Okay, so it needs that safe space. The feel of being safe. So if that feeling is there, the mind will just do that. So if the thought that what if the person thinks other way, some other way, as to what I am trying to say, and if the person perceives it in a different way, what will happen? If he will he take it in a wrong manner? Will he think of me as a bad person? Will he think of me as a certain way? Or will he spread the word that I am not a good person? So every kind of nonsense runs in your mind, because it's all about the mind feeling safe. So if if that aspect of your thought is like, यार चलेगा को जो भी करना कर ले, so if you have that kind of a thought, you always will have a good approach towards another person. But if you don't, then it becomes like, यार धवन के तरह आउटसाइडर्स लगेगा कि नहीं, क्या क्या खेलूं, कहाँ खेलूं. So that happens. It's tricky, man. It's tricky, and people have to take their own time and do things as they like. Yeah, exactly. It's because it doesn't matter. Like, अगर किसी को अच्छा नहीं लगा तो they will just be like हाँ हाँ, just for the sake of the conversation they will be like हाँ हाँ सही बोला, and they will just leave that. So they will want to divert it to some other thing or something. But generally it's actually simple, but it's complicated. It's a very tricky concept, man. But yeah, I really want people to ease themselves up. सब कुछ लाइफ में उखाड़ उखाड़ के कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. People need to realize that, and that's why I always say take care of people around you, which is really important. Because हमारे पास में हमारे पेरेंट्स बैठते हैं, पर we stay in a same house, but how many times you talk to your mother saying like, यार Mom, did you have lunch today? How was it? How are you feeling today? Do you want to talk about anything? What's going on in your life? What do you feel like? What's in your mind? Just talk to me. That kind of a thing. How many people are actually doing? पर इंस्टाग्राम में लगे रहते हैं कि लाइफ कोड्स, लाइफ में ये वो है क्या 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 नॉनसेंस है ये. Don't go on social media. Just your social media is right beside you. You shouldn't think on other nonsense happening around outside your walls. Just do the things which is inside your four walls. Whoever are there, take care of them. Make them better. Make them think good. Make sure they are fine. They are happy. First do that, man. Yeah, that's a nonsense we are doing, dude. we are creating a mess of ourselves by saying that यार ज़माना बदल गया. नहीं, कुछ नहीं बदला, हम बदल गए, because our mind has become such a crap. That's all that is happening right now. I really like cooking, man. So if I want to like do anything new, even in that I'd like to, try to create my own recipes and cook and something. So those kind of things, my mom and myself will have those kind of things. So that is something will be like, we'll keep on renovating or something, some changes, small changes that will come up as a new recipe, and it will be fun to do that. Those kind of things, trying to interact in with your mom, your dad, in the kitchen or in the hall, just talk with them, having a good conversation, creating that environment that ठीक है, I mean, you have that people feel always, that is really important. Friends important hai, I'm not ignoring that fact at whatsoever, but what about the people who take care of you so much, but you just don't see that importance? Yeah, because she's not used to getting pampered. She will give all the love, she will not take it back. I had the same issue with my mom, and I have tuned her like getting a FM signal in a desert. It's that kind of a struggle, because there is no antenna around, but you have to get the signal right. It's that hard to get a mom feel pampered. It's really hard, and we never ever know her worth. You don't want to create such an environment? That's my question. Like, कुछ भी होगा घर में, she is always there, she is always doing things, she is always helping in you out. She is always, even before you are asking, यार भूख लग रहा है, वैसा वाला कोट आने से पहले खाना रेडी है यार. What else you want in life? I mean, God has given you so much to cherish, but are you actually cherishing that in life? I don't know. Because that's the thing, I just want to enjoy the small things in life. Like this, like that day Rahul came in the stream, it was so sweet, man. It was so sweet. So those kind of things really matters a lot. Small thing. Yeah, man, I totally get your point that it is really hard creating such an environment, because no one is used to, because you might have a different mindset, and moms usually are, यार बेटा बड़ा हो गया तो उससे थोड़ा ओके ठीक है, वैसा वैसा वाला environment रखना है. But you can actually break that. You can actually sit with your parents and talk that you want to make them feel comfortable around you, and always keep engaging with them and have a conversation. And like, जैसे हम कहते हैं ना कि the our children should be like, अगर कुछ हुआ है तो मुझे आके बोलना. If anything happens in your life, if you want to share something, you can come to me anytime, anywhere. That kind of a feel you create with children, right? After growing up, the same environment should be created with your parents, I feel. If you do that, most of the mental issues will be like 50-75% lightened up, man. Because उनका भी कुछ ना कुछ तो चलता ही होगा ना. They will always have something in their mind. We don't know that. But what we can do is just say that everything will be all right. जो भी होगा, I am with you. So that kind of a feel, creating that kind of a thought in a person's mind is really important, especially with your parents. And even if you have siblings and all, that environment is really important. And if such an environment is created, not I want this, I want that, my thing, my that, no. Just the people around you, if you take care of them, and if you create that kind of environment, I feel you are the richest person in the world. That's all. That's the thing, because they have created that comfort zone. That's nothing else, man. You have to break that. That will take time. That will definitely take time, because if you are like always like माँ खाना बन गया, ओके खा लेते हैं, ओके डन डन डन, हाँ ठीक है बाय बाय, वैसा वाला हमेशा रह के अगर यू विल गो एंड आस्क लाइक कैसी हो, क्या कर रही हो, व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन, क्या वैसा वाला क्वेश्चंस पूछने से शी विल गेट वियर्ड आउट, लाइक यू सेड, because she's not used to it. So if you have to break that barrier, you have to make it a normal. That's all. That's all. It's a normal thing. Like make her feel that it is normal. This is something I'm trying to do, and just go on with it. What happened? कुछ नहीं यार. What do you feel? What do you feel about death? Death. That death would be like it's a natural process, as we all know. But one thing is, even I mean, I have lost my grandparents, both of my grandparents. My mom's side grandparents, they were like really, really good characters, you know. Something you would really want to learn a lot from them. But what I feel is a death never ends a person's presence, not because of this bhoot pret वैसा वाला कुछ नहीं. I feel a person's life always remains with their values, you know. अगर ये होती तो ये करती, वैसा वाला थॉट है ना. अगर मेरे दादाजी नाना जी वैसा वाला थॉट्स आए, वैल्यूज हो ना, फिर एवरीथिंग विल फील लाइक सही है. They have not left us, they are always with us because their values are with us. So death is a natural process, and accepting that it is a natural process is very, very important, because during our process of life we always get attached to some individual or the other, and everybody loses someone. Don't you about the fire you're gonna be no more someday? Why, man? What's the issue? I don't think about it whatsoever, dude. Honestly speaking, why should we think about it? See, if I'm like thinking good things to about others and want to do good things to others, if I have to drain the process, if that's what is written for me, what is the problem? See, that's the thing. We have made it so complicated that everything becomes a tangle within itself. You know, it's really, really weird. Everything we have made it so that you never know how to get out that pit, man. It's a thing which we have made it ourselves, and we have promoted it so much that we just don't know how things can change, you know. That's hard, man. That's hard. That's definitely hard. But that's the thing, right? We never know. And डर लगता है नहीं लगता है, डर is natural, dude. Fear is natural. Fear has to be there, you know, for your safety purpose. Fear in to a right quantity is good. That's all I would say, because after a certain level you kind of get lost, and the things you can actually do in that process cannot be done because of that extra fear. So fear is good, but too much is not. Too much of everything is bad. That's all. I thought that it could be me in the place. True, man. That thought could hit you hard as well. That's the thing, right? See, that's what I even mentally. One thing I always feel is, if you have that thought that anybody can leave you at any time, you will always be at your best behavior, right? Like, it might seem foolish ki yaar, why should I be in such a mental state? Isn't that like living in a hole, creating a pit for yourself? You need not do that. You are just creating a perspective that you can be at your best every time, just because of a thought. That's all. But yeah, that thought will come for sure. That's natural again, because you get attached to people, and people are important, man. your parents, your friends, everybody is important. The person who helped you to crossing a road, or when you fell, fell from somewhere, and someone lifted you up and gave you, cleaned your wound or something, even those people are important. But what will happen, how will happen if they are good, if good things are happening to them? Do you know? I mean, if they can clean your wound and go and face another crisis, how is it fair with them? Don't know. Life is that way. But what you can do is, wish them a good life. Wish them they feel good about themselves. Wish them that they, have a good thought about life. And whatever the hurdles they are facing, let them overcome it in a better way. That's all you can do. That's what I personally think. Yeah, let them be happy. Let people, feel good about themselves. Let them spread happiness. That's all we have to do, man. Nothing else. यार पैसे पैसे लगा के we have made the system so complex, man. अगर प्यार में चलता ना, the world would have been a better place to live. And the wants don't end at all, right? Like now I have the want to get new mic, right, for the stream. Like I have to make it better, so my mind is like mic lele. So I have created a, donation goal, and I am asking people whether they can donate or not. Is it a good thing or a bad thing? I don't know, but it is something which I want. वो want कट कर दे तो क्या होगा? I will be doing something else. I will be doing the regular thing. It's not like I am going to stop everything and not look back at things I can't do. Whatever you have in your control, do it at the best you can. That's all. And everything is unpredictable, man. सिंपलेस्ट ऑफ थिंग, एक होटल है, उसमें क्या कहते हैं, पाव भाजी या जो भी वॉट एवर इज योर फेवरेट फूड इज रियली पॉपुलर इन दैट प्लेस, एंड you go there and you don't have that day. That is uncertainty, right? 365 days that is available. The moment you went that day, it was not at all there. What would you do? What do you say about that? That is also a loss to you, right? But does it hurt? To a bare minimum, that's all. So if that is like 100 times, 1000 times, that is death, that's all. A small thing. You want what to say, Alfonso mango during the season, and you are not at all getting it because season is almost ended, and everything has vanished in the, what to say, flood or whatever has happened to the field. That is a disappointment. That is a loss, because you did not achieve what you wanted. That same thing, you want people you value in your life to live really long, but whether they will or not, you don't know. But what you can do is wish good for them, that's all. Just wish that, let them live a happy life, let them be mentally free, and let them be in a state where they can do the good things they have been doing for so long. That's all we can do. We can wish them good health, we can wish them good mind. That's all we need to do. That's the reason even when I'm finishing my streams, I always say, be happy, spread happiness, and happy gaming. It's something which I believe in, so I'm just saying it. I don't know whether it actually affects people who listen to that, but it comes out of my heart, man. I'm always up for giving good thoughts, that's all. Alright, I did not expect this kind of a finish for a stream, but anyways, thank you for intriguing me into such a concept, and making me talk like this. So yeah, that is the thing I would like to do in life. That's all. Even such a conversation is unexpected, right? This is a benefit you had. This is like a good thing which happened out of nowhere. Cherish it, enjoy it. If it's not worth it, leave it and go. That's all. There are no strings attached to it. Unless and until we attach strings on something, there are no strings. Loser. Thanks, man. You will remain a loser, no problem. I love the process. A loser can exist only when there is a winner, right? So the possibilities are always there. So I shall always remain a loser. I don't mind that, and thanks for mentioning that, man. Yeah, man. See, that's the thing, right? When someone says something bad at you or something which you don't want to hear, just think of the other way. That's all. That's all you need to do. Because there can't be only negative existence, right? There has to be some positive existence for a negative to even survive. Think of the positive in that. That's all. Easy peasy, boys. My god, this has been like a really intense session, dude. Oh my god. Thanks to Soumyajit for intriguing me into such a thought process and making me talk. Thanks to everybody for tuning into the stream, and I will see you guys in the next stream. Until then, be happy, spread happiness and happy gaming. Make sure you take care of people around you and yourself. Have a good night and a good sleep. I will see you guys in the next stream. Until then, it's bye from me.